I'm going to show you how to do a matching preparation test. First of all, we need to choose our patient. As well, we need to make sure that before we have some normal tests ready, because we will compare the test without a supplement and test with a supplement. So you go to the rapid test, you conduct a normal test, we have videos about how to do it, and then we go to matching preparations. So in this case as well, make sure that the subscription type is correct, Life Expert Profi. Choose the type of the electrodes that you use, brass electrodes or clips. And then you have the option of either making a test with electronic version. It means that there are plenty of companies that already provided their supplements to us, and the supplements were placed as an electronic copy. You do not need to put a supplement in the resonance cup. You can just choose from here and choose a needed supplement from the list. Or you can also use it with a container, which is our resonance cup. So if we use an electronic version, let me first show you on this example, because for this person that was tested, it's in Russian because the person was tested in Russian, but if you do it in English, it will be in English. So for the person, we chose this brand of Coral Club, right? And we made the tests. In this case, you just choose the company, you find the supplement you need, right? You choose it, and if the person is connected to the electrodes, to the components, we click launch. The test is started. We wait until it is finished. We can test all the supplements we need, and we process all the tests in order to have them all processed. Once the tests are processed, we can go to the matching preparations to see the results right here, or also to review the results with a diagram. Also, we can use a resonance cup. This is another way to conduct a test. We choose a container and we put the name of the preparation. For example, we want to test vitamin C and a specific brand or something. So once we put a name of a supplement, we click launch. The test has started. Once it's finished, we click on the process to process the results. You can test all the supplements and cosmetics you wish at once. Make sure that if you use a resonance cup, you clean it well every time, or watch our video how to work with a resonance cup in the same article. And then we go to the results desk. We have a matching preparation desk here, where you can choose all the supplements that were tested on the same day, for example, and display the results on the screen. And you need to pay attention that the supplements that give over 30%, right? So 100% is like very useful for the body at the moment, 100% compatibility. This compatibility is very small, so we need to pay attention on those supplements that have more than 30%. In this case, these 3 supplements are favorable for the person, so the person should take these 3 supplements. And these 3 supplements for the moment, no. But in this case, for example, we have Colavada Plus, which is a detox complex. In this case, detox complex, it's better to review which results it gives on the diagram, because everything which is connected with detox or antiparasitic, of course, it will give an inflammation process to the body, because we are detoxing or we are eliminating parasites. It is an inflammative process. We basically wake up everything that was very deep inside of us, all the toxins and the parasites. So in this case, the supplement should give an inflammative process in order to work. If the supplement doesn't give any inflammation, then it means that the supplement is not favorable. Also, this part, matching preparations, if you click on the information letter, it will give you information about this sector and how to read the results. You just need to leave it some time to load, right? And I do not recommend you either to test pills and pharmacy drugs, only the natural products, because of course the pills are curing something, some eliminating some symptoms, but are making worse to our body in another ways. They have a lot of contraindications, so of course the result will not be positive. So this is just for natural remedies and not for pharmacy pills. As well, I wanted to let you know that these numbers, in this case, the system calculates the effect of a supplement on the all organs and systems. So the task of a system is, if the organs were blue or orange, to get them to the normal condition. And if the organs were, let me try to find it. Okay, so any of them, right? For example, the one that gave a good result. So the task of a system is to make most amount of improvements that is possible. Like if it was blue, to make it green, if it was orange, to make it green, and it looks on all the systems and all the organs. But for example, some products and some supplements, we buy them for a specific issue, like probiotics. We do not need them to give a good result on our joints or on our ovaries or maybe on the organs of vision and hearing, right? Because the probiotics are used basically for improvement of digesting tract. So in this case, I recommend you to compare both tests. I don't know if it's possible to do it in the software, or you need to generate two reports in order to be able to compare the effect. Like you can see the test, right? Without a supplement, slim shake, and with a supplement, it's much better. So the system gives it as a very favorable supplement. But for example, as I told you with a probiotic example, we do not need to receive a positive results on all the organs and systems. Some of them may get worse, but as I said, we take probiotics for our stomach, not for our organs of visions or legs, joints, and ovaries. So this is obvious, and I recommend you as well for some specific issues to look at the diagram and see directly on each organ and system what was the result. Also, by testing the supplements, for example, with the same company or with another company you prefer, but let's go with this example. It has a lot of supplements like artichoke, for example, that we can test to see how our organs and systems respond. Like if we test an artichoke, it's a choleretic drug. So if the liver works well, this drug does not overload this organ and will have a positive effect. If the liver, vascular system, lymph gives bad results after applying artichoke, then the excretory system of the liver is overloaded, because in this case these supplements should give an effect along these organs, and if the result is worse, it speaks about the overloading of the liver. Or for example, we can find in the list the folic acid. It's an endocrine system and brain. We can look at the effect that it has to the endocrine system and brain. If we speak about iodine for the functioning of thyroid glands, what will be the result? If the result is worse, then thyroid gland is overloaded. Licorice root, also lymphatic system, black walnut leaves, fungi, and positive parasites in general. So we can look at intestines, lymph nodes, tonsils, uterus, prostate glands when we test the black walnut, and if it gives us red or purple indications during the test, it is impossible to use antiparasitic or detox protocols because the body is not ready. we first need to use the devices with automatic complexes very gently in order to prepare the body for cleaning, for antiparasitic programs. So these are some examples of what I want to tell you, but of course, if you go on internet, you can find a lot of useful information and play with these tools. And I hope this video cleared some doubts, right? So we make a test, we go to matching preparations, we test electronic copy or a real container, and then we go to view the results in the matching preparations, but apart from matching preparations as well directly on each organ and systems, because some of the supplements we don't need them to make a positive effect on all the body, but just on some specific organs and systems. So pay attention, and I hope this video was useful, and see you in another videos. Bye.